And good day to you, ladies and gentlemen. Nice to be back. And of all times, I'm out. I know it's Wednesday today, but God, it's April the 19th or something like that. And of all places, I'm in a pub car park. Shouldn't be, but I was. I discovered this place. Wow. I had a massive carvery last night, and it was £11, I think. Massive, all-you-can-eat carvery. It was absolutely fantastic. This is the next morning. It did rain in the night. I've been up and cleaned the solar panels. And I've just been in for breakfast now. £10.75, all you can eat. You just keep going back up and getting what you want. You know, you fill your plate up to start with, and if you ain't had enough, you go back up. £10.75 with a coffee. Oh, bloody fantastic. I've just come out now. My belly is as tight as a drum. Massive car park. Only when I got here last night, evening, the car park was quite full, because it is a fantastic pub. I'll take you around the outside. I didn't film inside. I just took a picture of the breakfast. I'll put that up for you. Only this was the end I was told to come up to. Nobody likes to walk this far, but it's a lot easier because I step straight out onto the grass. And for dogs, they don't allow dogs in the pub, but they got a massive garden. They allow them in the garden, but this is the dog walking area. There's walk-throughs into the fields alongside. Oh, it's fantastic. I can't praise this place enough. Now, I am allergic to mushrooms, right? And they have cooked everything separately for me, as though there was no cross-contamination, because when they're doing the breakfast, there's mushrooms involved. So they totally cooked everything separate for me in all clean pans and everything. So I was well impressed. They're very well self-contained because they got all those solar panels on the roof. So, you know, a lot of it's ever so warm in there, because running a carvery, you've got all those heated lamps, and it's massive in there. It is nice. I'll take a walk around the front now, and I'll be able to show you the front. But yeah, I'm out. There you go. The whole side of the roof is tilted at the right angle, he said, to take in all that solar. That's a lot of solar. I'm walking around the front now towards the main road. Push bike racks. But last night I sat in the garden. The sun was round that side, and I sat in the sun. It was bloody beautiful, with a drop of amber nectar in my hand. Only one. Well, it was one too many. There you go. There's the garden, and it was all lit up as well. I was in here until about 8 o'clock last night, and it was, well, I don't say crowded, but there was quite a few in. It wasn't over, because it's such a big pub. You know, everybody was each to themselves in there. Pizzas and burgers. They could have put it up straight, couldn't they? So, Munston on the sign. And it's called the Stonehouse at the Gap Inn. So that's where we are. It is on the A52 at just outside Grantham, and that road, I mean, now you can hear it. It is quite noisy, right? But when I walked back to the van at 8 o'clock last night, it wasn't very noisy at all. So there used to be a big tree at the front here, but it's gone now. So I am well impressed. The Stonehouse Gap Inn at Muston, Grantham. And they do advise to phone ahead, because they sort of limit it to about four campers, 4 motorhomes. If the motorhome's too big, like, you could take up way too much space. But they still let you in as long as they've got no other campers in. As you could see, I'm well overhanging a bay, and it's their trade, than they are, and that proving it is they are very, very busy. Well, it's now Friday at Willowfields, and it's started to fill out. I don't even know what time it is. I think it's about 11 o'clock, somewhere around that. And even the woolly cuds are down here. Ooh, taking the doggies for a walk.
You just can't beat this place, can you?
You can't. I love it here. Yeah. Right. Well, Mr. Woolly Cod, have you really missed Womble?
Oh, one has really missed Womble. But I love your car ramps.
Yeah, my car ramps.
It's a bit steep, but other than that, it's fine.
Yeah, and the trouble is, there's not any sun. It's all cloudy, so I don't know where the sun is at the moment, to which way to point them, just in case it does come out. Well, as I just said, I'm on 96%, and it says it's going to take 12 hours to charge up with the ambient light.
Gladys! Good girl!
Come on!
Come on! Good girl! Come on, then! Come on!
Right. To do a portion of chips. So, Luke. Oh, if I can get the damn thing open. There. Only just a second, put them in. Right. And my power bank was up to 100%. Right. It's on charge at 180 watts. But the fryer is taking 1100 watts. So, well, I've got the laptop on as well. So, I'm just going to see how long it takes me to do a portion of chips and how much energy it's used whilst it's still on charge. Because the Fogstar is absolutely chock-a-block full. It's not even on charge. It's not taking any power, and yet it is charging the power bank up. So that's the power bank. That's the lithium battery. And yeah, I'm down to 98 already. 2% just by talking. Right, 95%. It was still charging at 180. Right, and finished the chips now. There they are. I don't know what that is there. It's bloody delicious though. Right, so it took only a few minutes. Well, it was 15 minutes to do the chips, and I used 5% of the battery, and the Fogstar didn't budge. Well, Fogstar's got 800 watts of solar into it, so that's kept it going. So, and it is sunny out there. Beautiful. Really beautiful. Well, it's plain to see why I keep coming back to this place. Castleton in the Peaks. Fantastic. Watching all the lambs. Well, I had time to kill, and just stopping here 2 nights. Got here quite late yesterday. Stopped last night, and I'm going to stop again tonight, because by all accounts Will is supposed to be meeting me here, but well, he was supposed to got here last night, but you know what he's like. where else would I sit to eat a Branston and pickled pork pie? Oh, lovely. In a graveyard. In the churchyard, I should say. Yeah. On my own. Again, naturally. Right, Will.
Hello.
Why haven't you ate your pizza?
Stuffed.
And Uncle Kevin went and got you a load of things to be able to put it into,
Yeah.
so you could take it back and use his microwave for supper tonight.
Yeah. Yeah.
Are you going to?
Oh yeah, I'll have pizza for later.
Or do you like cold pizza?
I don't mind.
Bloody hate
Hot
cold
or
pizza.
cold.
No, I hate cold pizza. Right, where are we, Will?
Oh, we're in Peak District.
We're in Pizza District.
Yeah.
Crowning in Castleton.
Yeah.
I've had a pint. He's nearly had a pint.
Yeah.
So, right, at least now he's got the basket, so I don't have to carry my bread and milk back up. So he can do the carrying.
Yeah.
You ready for off, all the way? Are you ready? You ready to make your way back up?
Finish that and then we're heading off.
Okay. How long is it going to take you to do that? An hour or two?
Probably, yeah.
Well, if it's going to take an hour,
another one.
if it's going to take an hour or two, I'll have mine topped up.
Yeah. You may as well.
No, I've had 3 already. I lied. I've had a lot more than that. Will with an outside loo. Well, people, this is going to round off this video. You're sure to be able to recognise where I am. I'm at the rowing club in Hereford, and so that's a fair trek I've done, and I am going to see if I can get another night here tonight, because I don't feel that good. So, not that I want to be going to find another park up. There's still water running from out of the drains in Hereford. Water is very low out there. Well, we've had no rain for, well, ages. Oh, look at this thing clicking. Yeah, we've had no rain for ages. And yeah, well, as I said, I'm rounding this video off here. I can't remember how long I've been out now. Is it 2 weeks? Yeah, it's 2 weeks today, I think. Yeah, 2 weeks today. And I've enjoyed this so far. As I said, I'm not going home until end of August, September, I expect, this year. Well, it all depends on hospital appointments. If I get more hospital appointments, I got to go home there and then. So that's what's governing my life at the moment. So I don't know what else I can say. All these are just clips of what I've taken. I was not. Everybody does tour videos. Nobody likes tour videos unless you're interested in going there. And so, yeah, I've done a pub stopover, and that's enough for me. I did enjoy Saturday night in the clubhouse. Phil put on Sticky 13s. So I didn't play it. I just loved watching other people's faces as they were playing it. And losing £1 every time. Although, there again, Trotter did win 40... No, he he won 40 quid, and then they took 20 quid back off him because it was a dual jackpot, so he had to share it with somebody else. He wasn't happy over that. Never mind, Trot. Yeah, I should have got a pint in whilst you had the 40 quid. Right, that's it. I'm rounding this off. I ain't going no further now. Because my legs are killing me. Yeah, I didn't get my favourite spot this time. Right against the riverbank. I was the third one in. But it was quite enough. Grandkids came over. Took me uptown. Spent all my money and tired me out. Right, that's it, ladies and gents. Until the next one. Don't know when. Don't know where.